Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your bodies to look slim on a CapCut apps. So in here, you can just add any video or photo that you want to edit and import it to CapCut, and after that click on the photo or videos, swipe through this menu and click on the retouch option. Then in here click on body, and after that here you can choose between auto or manual. You can do it auto, or you can do it manually. So you can just in the auto you can select the body or waist. Let's try the body. Here you can just swipe through the option. You can see it will automatically shrink, or it will automatically makes your body small like that. But if you do it manually, you can click on manual. Here you can go to slim and adjust the position. You can go with the line in here, and after that you can just swipe to the right like that and click on the check icon. So that's how you can make your body look slim on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.